ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Dear learners, today we will discuss a sound called the alveolar fricative, which has a darker and heavier pronunciation than the regular sound.
So.
This Arabic letter is articulated by placing the tip or blade of the tongue close to the upper gum ridge, alveolar area, creating a narrow passage for air to flow with friction. It is a voiceless emphatic fricative, meaning the vocal cords do not vibrate during pronunciation, while the back of the tongue rises slightly toward the soft palate to produce a heavy, deep quality known as tafkhim. This sound gives a stronger and darker sound than the regular S sound in Arabic language. Dear learners, let's apply short vowels pattern on it.
So. Say. So. Say. So.
Now come to double vowel pattern to give stress and strength to the sound.
So. Si. Su. Salih. Sabun.
Dear learners, do you see how we can form a complete word using short and long Arabic vowels? Step by step, we will continue learning Arabic in this way. By doing so, you will not only be able to understand the Quran, but you will also be able to communicate in this language. Stay connected with the tutorials. Thank you.